Hi friends, Len Pagano here in San Juan at Telemundo studio where they film a show, the most popular show in San Juan, Ramon and sus Amigos. It's great to be here on this set with our good friends from Telemundo offering help this fall as we do some great work for 9,000 middle school kids here in San Juan who are going to learn more about how to be safe, whether it's on the internet, in sports, in transportation, disasters like hurricanes, and all of this is going to help them become safety advocates. And what they'll be asked to do, show what they can do with chalk and tell a story about safety, or speak about safety, or write an essay. We're going to be doing this with Dr. Lydia Baez, who's the school superintendent. I met with her just yesterday, and we're so excited that even the new school secretary for the island is planning to be a part of this, Dr. Eligio Hernandez. So working with them and working with companies like our good friends from UPS, Good 360, Target, which has provided drones and digital cameras to give to kids in schools here. We're going to do some great work this fall, and we look forward to telling more stories on Telemundo and with our good friend here, the Presidente Jose Consella. So thanks again to Telemundo and our friends at NBC in New York who connected us.